Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily transform your photo into a beautiful Studio Ghibli style artwork using an app called Dreamface. It's super fast, beginner friendly, and yes, there's a free weekly credits. So let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just open the Play Store and then install it from there. And once the installation is done, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And the great thing is Dreamface provides free credits every week, so you can try these AI filters without paying anything. Next, after login, Next, after logging in, you will immediately see the home page like this. And then after that, just tap on AI filters. In here, Dreamface has many different filters, but for this tutorial, we're going to use Ghibli style filters. Just scroll to the filters, and then after you find stylistic painting in here, stylistic painting sections, and after that, just choose on Ghibli styles. This one, just tap on it. And then after that, just choose a clear picture of yourself or anyone that you want to turn into a Ghibli style character. Make sure the face is visible and valid for the best result. And after selecting the photo, let's simply tap on Animate. And the app will process your image for a few moments, so just sit back and wait. And okay, like this, just there it is. Your photo is now transformed into a Ghibli inspired illustrations like this. It's complete with a soft color and then big expressive eyes like this. And honestly, the result it looks super magical, but cute at the same time. Next, if you like the result, just simply tap on download to save the result to your device, or you can also share it directly to your social media. And okay, that's it. That's how you can turn any photo into a Ghibli art in just a few moments using Dreamface. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!